Good afternoon guys, welcome to my channel. This is T. Trainer, your fitness trainer personal coach, Mr. Manali. And you're watching Base Pure Impact. So today I'm with my brothers, the winners of Mr. Kalimpong Pageant Show 2019, Mr. Tenchong Lepcha and Vinayak Chetri.
Hello there, my name is Gyamcho T, the winner of Mr. Kalimpong 2019.
Hello there, my name is Vinayak Chetri, and second runners-up of Mr. Kalimpong 2019.
So today we are going to do a workout routine by using a weight plate. Currently I'm holding a weight of around 5 to 6 kgs.
So we'll be holding the weights in a neutral position so that we do not exert pressure in our forearms while doing more repetitions.
So we're going to start it off with 3 to 4 sets with a repetition of 10 to 15 and keeping a gap of 10-15 seconds.
So raise your plates and let's get started.
I wanna be invisible. Looking at my years like I'm out of dumb. Everybody needs to be a part of them. Never be enough, I'm the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born for the days. Whip, run me like a racehorse, hold me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, word upon your lip. Better that you rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes, 'cause I love how it feels when I break the chains. Whatever it takes, yeah, take me to the top. I'm ready for whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. Whatever it takes, whatever it takes, whatever it staring at me, ice in my veins and my heart on my sleeve. Teach me a lesson. Her sex is a weapon. Black holes, chemicals burning my brain. The way that she loves me is fucking insane. Hands on my body, I'm feeling godly. I'm a friend of the devil, I'm a dangerous rebel. It's the life that I can't.
We are just done with weight plates workout today. It was highly effective and I really enjoyed it. What about you guys?
Yes, the neutral grip did help me a lot as it did not put pressure in my forearms and helped me with doing more repetitions. Thank you.
So guys, stay confident, be safe and be consistent, because consistency is the key to your transformation. So guys, do follow him and do subscribe to his channel because he knows what he's doing.
Muchas gracias por mirar. Hasta la próxima. This is T. Trainer. Behind me, Tenchong and Vinayak, and behind the lens, Gyamcho T, Bhutia, and you're watching Base Pure Impact.
And I'm loading my gun. Back to the wind, better run, better run.